Hey y'all, welcome to another fireside chat. Smoke's coming right on in here, getting right in my eyes, but that's okay. It smells good. I figured I'd do these fireside chats because this is something I can just point, shoot, talk, be done, upload, and I'm gone. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but I am going to say this here: never try to outsmart an old man. I got a story to tell on that. Back when I was a young kid, I was probably 16, 17 years old. I don't remember. Back in the mid-70s, somewhere around there. Me and my dad and my brothers, we were building a retirement center up in the Portland area. And there was this old plumber that was getting ready to retire, and I'll tell you what, that guy was as slow as molasses when you watched him move. I mean, you had to drive a stake to see if that old guy was moving. But he was always one step ahead of you. He was a pretty wise old man, old Louis was. Well, this one time, I made the mistake of eating at Taco Bell. And you know what that stuff does to you. Well, I took off running for the outhouse, and old Louis, he stopped me. He says, "Hey, Grizz, where you going?" I said, "I'm going to the bathroom." He says, "Well, how much do you weigh?" And I thought I'd just smart off to him, And he says, "Well, I weigh 300 pounds. He says, "That's good to know. That way, if you fall in, we know how much to dip on out." Hey, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.